If you want to sandblast something, this is what you want to sandblast. Going to share some knowledge with you. This here is my trusty GoPro Hero 12 Black, and it looks beautiful and new because I've been smart and I kill these all the time. So here's what happens. You can obviously go swimming, snorkeling, all that kind of stuff. Don't worry about the waterproofing. Yes, you could use this if you wanted to dive to really deep depths. But where you really want to use this is if you're in a tough environment. So I will tell you, we've been all over the world. This is going to Africa with me, and I'm going to put it on the front of the car as we bash through the desert, behind the wheels, throwing up the sand, all that kind of stuff. And all that stuff does nothing other than sandblast this. So trust me, if you want to sandblast something, this is what you want to sandblast. Completely expendable, reasonably expendable, right? I am going to destroy this in Africa, and I'm going to come back and my camera is going to look like this, and my wife's not going to be mad at me. So yeah, if you are going to go either mudding or you're going to go four-wheeling on the local beach or all those kind of things where there's that grit and you want to throw it up into the camera and get those great looks, get this, kill it, throw it out when you're done, and be happy that your camera still looks like this. If you want to get one of these, there's a link here on the screen or down below. It doesn't cost you anything extra to use those. I gotta say thank you in advance. While we're doing this, make sure you give the video one of these. It's really important for the algorithm. And if you want to see that cool footage of this thing behind the tires, on the hoods, all those crazy places in Africa, it's gonna be epic. Follow or subscribe, whichever platform we're on. Do that so you can see those cool videos. If you have any questions, let us know. I hope this was helpful. See you in the next video.